Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's currently day 10 of quarantine and I thought that it would be the perfect time to film a tutorial on how I do my eyeliner. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve my eyeliner, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna kind of just jump right into it. I did already fill in my brows. Alright, so what I'm gonna be using is the Tartiest clay paint eyeliner. Now for my pencil, my eyeliner pencil. Usually when you buy the eyeliner, it comes with this one, but the way it's curved, it kind of messes me up a little bit. So I have another one. Let's see if I can find it in the midst of all of this. Since it's so short, I have to pick up all of my pencils at once. Oh, okay. It didn't even come out. Usually when I pick them up, oh, there it is. Since it's so small, I can't really grab it the way I can with all the other ones, so it usually stays at the bottom. Alright, so I think this is a Sephora brand. I'm almost positive. It doesn't say Sephora on it. It just says Pointed Liner Eyeliner Precision number 92. If I can find it on the Sephora website, I will link it down below. It's a little easier for me personally to work with. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. Like literally the thinnest. There's probably like 20 little hairs on this brush. But it literally works amazing. It works so good. I think like this I literally have had since I started using eyeliner. Like I did mention in my previous video, I do my eyeliner with tape. I know it's aggressive, it's harsh on my skin. I'm probably gonna get eye wrinkles within the next like 10 years, but it's easier for me. So I'm just going to take 2 strips of tape and place them on the back of my hand. Whenever I'm doing my eyeliner, I need to be like really close to my mirror. So I'm sorry that this is going to, you know, be in the camera for a little while. Yeah, so I just follow, you know what, let me zoom in. Focus. Come on, you can focus. There we go. Okay, so I just place it right. I follow. I don't even know how to explain how I place it. I kind of just place it. I kind of try to envision the way I want my wing. Like, I don't want it to be straight, so I put the tape at an angle. Alright, come on. I have a feeling that this is gonna get, like, it's gonna go out of focus the entire video. Basically, I'm just gonna go and take a little bit. I'm probably really cockeyed right now. I just take a little bit on the very beginning of the brush, and I get to work. Now, what I do, alright, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Hopefully that's a little better. I start exactly where the 2 lash lines meet. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. And I just drag it out. Then when I get to the end, I kind of just ever so lightly, just it's all in the wrist. I go ahead and just fill up the brush a little more product. So I like my eyeliner very sharp, very pointy. So I don't begin to connect it all the way at the end of the wing. I go around probably like 3/4 to maybe halfway in, and that's how I start to connect it. Let's say 3/4, probably 3/4, and I start to bring it upward. Boom, just like that. And then I just fill it in. I don't know if you can really see in camera, but there's kind of like a little bit of a gap right here. So I'm going to just take the brush and basically connect it so that it's all one smooth line. As I mentioned in my previous video, like I don't go all the way to the beginning of my lash line. I just go maybe halfway, right to where like my pupil is. Like if you look straight, let's see, if you look straight, and obviously like your pupil would be right here. You just go up. That would be basically where I end the eyeliner. I try to do like a gradient effect. Like I try to go as thin and as light as I possibly can, and then it gets darker, and then it gets thicker, and then it's the wing. So I'm gonna just take the littlest, is that a word? The tiniest amount. I'm not dragging anything, I'm just tapping the product in, just so that it goes in between all of the little lashes. And now that it's basically, you know, now that there's product there, then I go and I drag it so that everything meets. That's it. It takes practice. I used to do my eyeliner with something like this, and obviously it's a very, very thick pencil, so my eyeliner was literally just a line like that on my eyelid. So I have come a very long way. It takes practice, it takes patience. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this eye, and then I'll get into how I clean it up and how I make it look even sharper and all that good stuff. Okay, I am back. I did both eyes. I'm gonna zoom in and hopefully it doesn't get blurry. I'm gonna just leave it right there. We're gonna just keep it. We're gonna be zoomed in but at a distance, you know? Okay, so as you can see, this one looks a little thicker than this one. So right now at this point, what we're trying to do is just even them out. I try to make my eyeliner look as similar as possible. So as I mentioned in my last video, I do just take makeup wipes and just a very thin angled brush, and that's basically how I clean up my eyeliner. I'm going to just wet the brush a little bit with some product. So I'm gonna do this one first. You see how this one just starts basically right where basically the two lash lines meet. This one is a little lower. So basically what we want to do is clean that up. We want to make both start at the same point. I did mess up a little bit on this one, but that's cool. That's okay. This is what the cleanup process is for. So I'm just dragging it. I feel like this eyeliner is very easy to clean up. You need an eyeliner that's not waterproof, because waterproof eyeliner is harder to clean up. I'm gonna kind of clean it up a little bit, because if I go like this, there's like, it looks weird. So I just want to even that out, which will end up making it just a little bit thicker. Now they both look the same. So that's literally all there is to it. If you're cleaning it up a little bit and then you mess up a little bit and then you have to add more, just go back in with the little brush. And now that I am done with my eyeliner, I'm gonna go and put on some face makeup, and I will be right back. But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching my eyeliner tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. The little brow pencil. No. Now. Oh, I thought somebody was coming in. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. I did the hand thing again. Keep on watching. I think I heard the saliva just... That was tiring.